Ang tinutugon sa ating panalangin ay pananampalataya. Sayang ang panalangin kung walang pananampalataya. Amen. Tawag nga dyan the God kind of faith. Pananampalatayang gaya ng sa Diyos.
Always remains. Yeah. I don't need a green gift with a bow tie. I don't need a red suit wearing no guy. If it's a price tag hanging on a white jag, y'all can take the keys. Cause I got peace, I got love, and it comes from up above. Getting more stuff ain't gon' make me feel enough. So I don't want a box under the tree. I'm not looking for a car or any money.